How to look younger than your age. Nowadays, everyone wants to look younger than their real age. Some people even get offended if others ask their age, or when people guess them to be older than they are. It's often a compliment for anyone who is mistakenly assumed to be younger than they are, like those who get carded in bars and liquor stores. Looking younger than your age is possible without costly medical procedures. Here are ways on how to look younger than your age. 1. Care for your skin. The skin is the first factor that people notice when guessing a person's age. Skin that is dry and has fine lines makes a person look older than they should. Take good care of your skin by performing a consistent skincare regimen. Wash and cleanse your face thoroughly every day. Even when you are tired, make sure you remove all traces of makeup before you sleep. Apply an anti-aging cream if you like. Follow it up with a moisturizer appropriate for your skin type. Do not forget to put protective sunscreen on exposed areas of your skin when out in the sun. Exfoliate once a week using a loofah or a body scrub. You can also get a facial from a professional or do it yourself. This will help thoroughly clean your face and remove impurities and blemishes. You can also go to a sauna weekly for a short period of time. It helps with blood circulation, flushes toxins from the skin, and brings out nutrients to the skin surface. Overall, it gives the skin a youthful glow. 2. Follow fashion trends. A good way to look younger than your age is to get an age and trend-appropriate haircut. Go to a hairstylist and consult them to help you pick out a current hairstyle that would look good on you. A shorter hairstyle makes most people look younger. If you have dark hair, dye it a lighter color. Inversely, add low lights to light color hair. You should also keep up with clothing trends so that you do not look outdated. Of course, you have to be careful that you don't look like an older person trying too hard to look like a teenager. Avoid a scoop neck, round neck, or very low necklines if you are starting to have a sagging chest or age spots on your chest and neck area. Go for V-neck styles, button-ups, or turtlenecks. Show off your well-maintained skin by putting on natural makeup and getting a plain manicure. Follow tips online on how to wear no makeup or nude makeup. For your nails, wear beige, pale pink, or just clear polish. 3. Minimize stress. The body ages more slowly when it is not stressed. Some studies have shown that stress can be more harmful to the body than alcohol and smoking. De-stress by taking a relaxing bath with aromatherapy scents like lavender. You can also do relaxing yoga positions that focus more on stretching and even breathing. Additionally, yoga has meditative exercises that will help you clear your mind and breathe deeply for a bit. Besides those tips, a very easy way to look younger than your age is to smile a lot. While you might argue that this will give you laugh lines are still better than frown lines. Young people exude a positive attitude because they worry less. Stop worrying about looking old. If you want to know how to look younger than your age, you have to have the attitude to go along with it.